I had an eye problem. I came to Chennai to see Dr. T.T. Ramalingam. I saw the amount of crowd and the respect he was commanding among these patients. I decided to become an eye specialist. My destiny was to reach Chennai. So I married a lady from Chennai, Dr. Vimala Sohanraj, and I started with the very basic instruments with about 300 square feet area. Gradually we acquired more place and we added all the latest equipment which I needed for my clinical development. There was a need for a multi-speciality hospital in Saukarpet. I saw people in emergency running here and there, and I wanted all my children to become doctors and they should serve the people of Saukarpet. From Ashwini Eye Clinic, I took the place and it became a Amrit Hospital. The hospital became very popular and we became a 40-bedded multi-speciality full-fledged hospital. The ophthalmic department has one floor as an ophthalmic OP and one wing as ophthalmic ward, and exclusively in an ophthalmic theatre where we have everything only for ophthalmology. As the technology improved, we went on adding more and more equipment, the most and the best available at that particular time.
Amrit Hospital was started in the year 1994 when I just completed my 10th standard exams. On the day of inauguration, it was just enjoyment and recreation for me as most of my relatives and friends were here. But as I was growing, I realized that I was a part of Amrit Hospital. During my MBBS times, I used to come to the hospital, visit the wards with the senior doctors, and that made the attachment more strong.
My father, he was a leading practitioner in Chennai, and he was the first doctor in our Jain community. He was very particular that I should also be a doctor. Then I took over the clinic of my father, Dr. Gopichand. I am practicing there and doing service to the public. I have also specialized in ultrasound and infertility techniques. And then I have 3 sons. All of them are doctors, and I have 2 daughters-in-laws. One is a gynecologist who has joined along with me since 4 years, and the other is an anesthetist.
Obstetrics and gynecology is a tough subject, no doubt, but it's a passion for us now, because getting someone into the new world, getting a newborn baby, bringing smile to the mother. She was only a lady and becomes a mother now, and as a newborn baby is born is really a happiness. When the patients say they are very happy, it gives a lot of happiness to us. It feels like it's rewarding.
After I joined my practices at Amrit Hospital, I realized that there is a need for improving the technologies which are presently available here. So I slowly introduced the retina department, where we are fully equipped to handle both the medical and surgical retina cases now. The glaucoma department, the LASIK surgery department, which is my newer addition now, and the contact lens clinic, as well as the optical services.
God's given us 6 senses. Out of the 6 senses, I feel eyesight is the best of it, because you get to see things which are more beautiful. My dad and my brother turned me towards ophthalmology, and now I'm very interested in it. I used to be going to my dad's clinics, to the labor wards, and here and there, not knowing anything, but just knowing I wanted to become a doctor. So that's how being in the hospital probably developed my interest more in medicine rather than anything else.
This is the best profession to serve the society. I have no hesitation. If I am given another chance, I will prefer to become an eye surgeon and serve the people.
Amrit Hospital is doing a very commendable job, and they are having all the branches of the medical fraternity, right from all specialist doctors and topmost consultants who are coming here, visiting here, and this way the Amrit Hospital is doing very good service to the community.
லலித் குமார் டாக்டர் தான் எனக்கு பார்க்குறாங்க. இப்போ கண்ணு குறை எடுத்தாரு, நல்லா தெரியுதுங்க, நல்ல டாக்டருங்க அவரு.
Amrit Hospital has a total staff strength of around 75 people and they are really dedicated. Most of them have been here for past 20 to 25 years. They are very hardworking, at the same time very humble to the patients, and that is our main strength.
First Ashwini Eye Clinic irundhathu, adukapra Amrit Hospital 18 years start pannேன். அந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் இருந்து நான் இங்க ஸ்டாஃபா வர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். all இன்சார்ஜ் ஆயிட்டு மேட்ரன் ஆயிட்டு எல்லாம் all ஆயிட்டு வர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். கைனகாலஜி சப்ஜெக்ட்ல ஐ டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல எல்லாம் வர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். இப்பவும் வர்க் பண்ணுது.
Amrit Hospital offers treatment in various specialities like ophthalmology, gynecology, general surgery, general medicine, diabetology, dermatology, anesthesiology, ENT, orthopedics, chest medicine. We have dedicated doctors in various specialities who offer the best treatment and the latest treatment available. I want to thank all the doctors from the bottom of my heart for all their services to our hospital.
Just now I am happy that I become a doctor. I am serving the public, I am doing justice to the patients.
When a patient comes with pain, you give relief of his pain. Gratitude is not counted in terms of money, but it is the amount of love he shows to you when he leaves your premises.
Amrit LASIK Center is an extension of Ashwini Eye Clinic, Amrit Hospital, which is located in Saukarpet. We were always looking for a scope for expansion, and that's how this place was started. Amrit LASIK Laser Center is located in Kilpauk on Orms Road. It is a very calm area with ample car parking facility which most of our patients need. The center has two components, one is the diagnostic and other one is the treatment. The diagnostics is aided by the Pentacam, which scans both the anterior and the posterior surface of the cornea and helps us take surgical decisions, and the treatment part is implemented by the Allegretto Wavelight EX500 laser system. The best part about this machine is that it is very fast, very accurate and very user friendly. This also comes with a planning station where we can pre-program all our treatments before getting into the operation theatre. The facility has an excellent support staff which comprises of a receptionist, a refractionist, a nursing staff and a ward boy. The center has the Amadeus microkeratome for making LASIK flaps. It's a very user-friendly system and gives very predictable flaps. The center is a neutral center and is open to all ophthalmologists. The doctor can send their patients for topography and then can fix up a time for surgery. The center is open between 8:30 AM to 4:30 PM. We have already completed 60 eyes and the results are very promising.
In future, maybe another 2 or 3 years, I will be joining my dad and my brother, and I definitely want to expand not only in ophthalmology department but even other departments. I feel Amrit LASIK Center is the first step in expansion of Amrit Medicare Private Limited. I wish my brother and my dad for another year at least before I join them. Good luck for the new Amrit LASIK Center.
I came across a quote by Mahaprajna ji which says, जैसे जैसे बढ़ेंगे कदम आगे रास्ता सड़क बन जाएगा, जो भी बाधक बन के आएगा उसको हटना ही पड़ेगा।